sale is a 1966 Thunderbird. This car is in excellent shape inside and out. All the paint and chrome on this car is really nice. As you can see in the front here, there's no pitting or anything on it. The grill's in really nice shape. Paint on the hood's real nice, no rock chips or anything. Paint on this car is definitely show quality. This car has been owned by the last owner for 40 years, and it has been stored in a climate controlled garage. Always covered. You can see the leather and everything's real nice. All the door panels. See, the dash is in really nice shape, no cracking or anything. Idle is really nice. You see this steering wheel moves. All the windows work as they should. Okay, it does have the sequential turn signals on it. As you can see right now, they're on.
The other side.
You see all the chrome back here is a real nice shape on it. All the paint's real nice. Idle's really nice, runs and drives out great. This car is definitely a head turner. It does have factory AC, power steering, power brakes. We believe it is the original engine in this car. See all the gaps and everything is real nice. So that is the 1966 Thunderbird. You can see the top and everything is really nice on this car.
Yeah. The window, the vinyl window is rolled up in tissue paper so nothing gets scratched.
Yeah, the vinyl top is rolled up on it in tissue paper. Top is excellent, works perfectly. Top hasn't been put up and down very many times, so we're gonna go ahead and put it down here for you. All the mechanics and motors and hydraulics work on it as they should.